Welcome back to the channel, guys. Me, Joe, out here at a local lake again. Out here to catch some trout. Hopefully we catch them today. Kind of tired of trout fishing, but they keep planting and nothing else is really biting right now. So hopefully this is my last trout video for a while. Remember, as always, if you like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.
He tried swallowing it.
Fish on, guys.
Oh, you got lightning? On that lure? No, on the one you said. Oh, no. I decided to play. I was like, what? I would have never done that. I tried those. Watching.
Oh, sorry about stepping on your fish.
They never worked for me.
Check that guys out. Guys, beautiful, beautiful rainbow trout in that Senko. First one of the day.
Are you throwing that broke back? No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Get some.
There you go.
I lost it. Go.
Got one. Lightning trout, guys.
He broke my line. That was that hook.
Check out that lightning trout, guys. Beautiful lightning trout
Right there.
on that Senko. Lightning trout on. Hey.
Right there, huh?
Yeah.
You need that?
Yeah, give me it. Us?
Yeah. Senkos? Huh?
Senkos. You want one?
No, thank you.
You good?
I mean, anything you want to Senko.
Check out that beautiful, beautiful lightning trout, guys, on that Senko. Beautiful trout.
Yeah.
Oh, got one. Fish on, guys. Get the net. Check out that, guys. Another beautiful, beautiful lightning trout on that Senko. See, look at that, looking.
Oh, really?
That one. Fish on, guys. Jigging that Senko. Ooh, this guy's got a little fight. Oh, this guy's not ready to come in yet. Check it out, guys. Another beautiful, beautiful lightning trout, guys. Eating that Senko, guys. Eating that Senko.
Nobody at the corner, huh?
Nope, I was about to head there. Got one. Fish on.
You gonna go over there?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh.
I don't know, I think I did myself high.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trout. Eating that Senko, the bite is on, guys. Beautiful.
It's all dirty now.
Yeah, it happens. Oh, already had it. I was like, my line is really slack. Well, guess Sean didn't know I had this guy on.
Yeah. You gonna get it?
Ooh.
You think there's any taste difference between those and the other ones?
I think about the same. I think these ones cut a little like more pinkish, but that's just might be me.
You know, it's just the food they eat.
I think it's their genetics. Yeah, I got it.
And the meat is white. Yeah, you know what? If there's a curly peel on the end of it.
Yeah, sometimes I open these glass and sometimes they're really pink, but sometimes they're like more of that whitish color, like you were saying.
Because they didn't get as much of the food.
They were the little slower ones. Check it out, guys. Another beautiful, beautiful trout, guys. Beautiful rainbow trout, lightning trout. Right, way you present it.
Yeah. What's that? Oh.
5 fishermen. Got one. Fish on, guys. Fish on, another lightning trap. Woo, this guy's got a little fight.
It's high. I know you and Hot go all the time. I haven't been up here for quite some time. He's got one right there.
Ooh. This guy's got a little fight. I got it. You just fish. This guy doesn't want to play. Fish on, guys. Check it out. Popped out. Check it out, guys. Beautiful lightning trout. Beautiful.
But you did this one quick.
Yeah, I just because I was trying to fuck around with that one, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have 4-pound test on that. How you getting that out that far? 2 pounds.
I like fish on.
I've had a rod like that, and I've got those little jigs, and I can barely get them a rod length and a half. I was wondering how you're pulling that off.
A lot of people here use 2-pound tests.
That lady
Yeah.
wanted that fish. You see her?
Yeah. If you don't see it, it's...
No, I'm sitting here guard that fucker until he swims away, bro. Ain't nobody taking that fucking thing.
There was one time I was here and the fish they released, I don't know if they didn't oxygenate it right or something. They all just died, man.
I seen that video, bro. Someone posted that shit.
And then fish on.
It's like a dramatic change on the temperature of the water.
Ooh, there's a lot of weeds here, guys. Put some heat on this fish.
You turned it on? Oh. Did you turn it on?
I think so.
Because it doesn't count. All those fish you catch don't count unless it's recorded.
Yeah, that's very true. Fish on, guys. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Oh man,
Been going in the delta with it.
Yeah,
Just for salmon, you mean?
yeah.
I was gonna say, I haven't heard of a sturgeon caught there, but they
In
could
the moat?
be. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
they
sure
could
they
be,
are.
I guess.
I mean, theoretically it could be anywhere.
Right, you just don't hear anybody catching
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, people catch sturgeon all the way in Lathrop, you know, so.
Yeah, Manteca, they got that sturgeon slough.
Yeah,
If you look at your fishing tag here, there's supposed to be sturgeon here.
yeah.
In the lake,
Yeah, in the main lake.
I feel like whoever made it just kind of got lazy and they're like, let's just make every single fish species in freshwater.
Well, Lake Shasta has sturgeon for sure.
Ooh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Ooh, jumper.
Nice jump. See, those are the kind that have to be recorded.
Yes, sir.
That's about the size of the one I kept. Pretty.
Check it out, guys. Beautiful,
Definitely a goldfish.
beautiful goldfish or lightning trout. Depends which one.
That was a pre-marriage.
That was the pre-marriage. Well, we've been, I guess, married in Asian culture for like half a year now, but on paper we've just got married.
Oh, this thing. Oh no, it looped itself.
All right, I need to catch one of these. There's a lot of fish here. These lightning make it really easy to spot if the fish are here or not.
Yep.
Fish on!
Another goldfish.
Goldfish! I want to go.
Fish on, guys.
Oh, come on. Come on, follow it. Oh, you little bastard.
Ooh, this guy is far.
This one actually fights.
Yeah, this one's actually fighting.
What do you got?
That's not funny.
Ooh, this one. Yeah, this guy's far.
I lost the big net, so.
It's okay. Wow, this guy wants to fight actually.
There it is. Caught him among the weeds.
Among the weeds.
I guess I'll stand up now.
Check it out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Lightning trout, guys. Caught that on the Senko. A few times, it's just barely alive.
Yeah.
Just so that something's moving.
Yeah, just enough. But man, dude.
I drift at the middle river with them, though. Middle river.
I go out towards Rio Vista, drift them. It's fun.
It's good fishing back there, though, the middle river. Off Bacon Island? Bacon Island, huh? I'm over there with the freaking small sucker.
Oh yeah, fish on.
Yeah, no, you can get out there from shore, but it's a lot easier to fish for them.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Are you catching releasing Joe?
Yep.
Okay, you're good.
Yep. It's a nice one, guys. Ooh, sorry. Woo, check that guy out, guys. That one's a fatty. Easy 2-pounder. Beautiful lightning trout. Eating that Senko. Well, guys, had an awesome day. Absolutely slayed some lightning trout and some rainbow trout. Let me show you what I caught them on. Caught them on that little half piece of Senko on that 132-ounce top-notch lead head jig. Throwing that on my Phoenix 7.6 ultralight and Stratex CI4 100 4-pound test line. Absolutely killer setup. Remember, as always, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.